Hi everyone, welcome to my corner. I'm Faye. In today's video we are going to unbox the Crazy Cat Lady box. I just received my February box, so I did not open it, so we are going to discover together what's inside. I can't wait to see what's inside. The January box was my first box and I really liked everything that was in it. So the CatLady box subscription is a monthly subscription, so I get a box every month and it's all cat related stuff that's inside. There are toys, clothes and stuff like that. If you want more information, you can go check my January unboxing. I explain everything, the prices, the process. I explain everything in details. So the box for the February is bigger than the January one. So I can't wait to see what's inside. I have no idea. So let's open the box. It's really snagged. So this is what it looks inside the box. Okay, so first we have the little card. So on this card you have all the prices, all the items that you're gonna find in the box. So I'm not gonna read it right now. Okay, so the first item is a little, I think it's catnip. Just gonna check. So it's the frosted cookie catnip toy. So it's like a cookie. It's an exclusive by Princess Dreams. It says it's handmade and it's $7. So it's full of catnip. So I'm gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna give it to the cats yet. The second thing that I see is another toy. So it's a snake. So this one is the Hissy Kissy Catnip snake toy. So another thing with catnip. They are gonna go crazy about this. I just know it. This one is $7 also. It's an exclusive from CatLady box. So yeah. So this is super cute. It's super soft. The next thing that I have, what are those? I'm gonna open it. It's a little box with brown things. What is it? So the box says CatLady. Okay. Oh, it's paper clips. Oh, this is super cute. Oh, I love that. This is the kind of stuff that I love. I don't know why, I just love those things. So this is Kitty paper clips. It's $10. It's an exclusive by CatLady box. So paper clips, this is super cute. I love it. And then I have another shirt. So in the January box, I had a t-shirt that said 2021 with cat ears. And this one is super cute. So it's so cute. So it's a pink t-shirt with a black cat that's floating with art balloon. It says cats are my heart shirt. It's $23. It's an exclusive by CatLady box. I really love the color. This is really great. The only thing that I don't like about these t-shirts are the colors because they are really tight to the neck. I prefer like something that is longer. It feels like this is choking me or something, like I don't know why. And the next thing I see, it's big. What is it? It's I think it's a blanket, I think. Okay, let's open this. Oh, super soft. So yeah, it's a blanket. It has a very, like, both sides are super soft. I love this. Oh, there's cat ears. So, okay, so you put this on your head. Wait. So this is a blanket with cat ears. It's very warm. It's super soft. I love this. I cannot believe that they have this. There's little pom pom. Oh, okay, you can. This is super cute. How much is this? This is the cat ears Udi blanket. It's an exclusive by CatLady box. It's $33. It's super warm. I feel super warm right now. I love this. This is really great. I'm so happy. So the box value, I counted everything. It's about $80, and I paid, if I'm not wrong, I think I paid $40 for this box. So I think that the value again is pretty great, and this is super cute. I love this. I'm gonna give the toys to my cat to see if they love the toys. By the way, the penguin is a hit, and the other toy with the balls, they really love it also. So I took the blanket off because it was so hot. So Alice really liked the snake. I'm gonna see, right now Nico is sleeping, so I'm not gonna bother him with the toys. So as I said, I'm super happy about the box. I'm super happy about the blanket, and yeah, I really love, like, I love that they have toys, and this is super cute. I'm super happy to have that. I know it's stupid, but I just love those type of things. So I hope you really like this video. I'm super happy about the Crazy Cat Lady box for the month of February. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel. You can also hit the bell button to get notification to know when I post new videos. Also, I would really appreciate if you could leave a comment in the section down below to tell me what you think about the box. What do you think about the subscription? Do you like the products that were inside? Would you recommend me another box maybe? Would you try this box? And of course, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!